that is one thing I'd recommend anyone with a aftercooler to do, is to drain it all using the plug in the front mount down there. I'll show you here. There's right there, that MPT plug. That's the front mount for the aftercooler. If you pop that plug out, all the coolant will drain out. And if you're going to store your car for the winter in sub-freezing temps, I advise you to do that. I haven't done it because I've been lazy, but what happens is these silicone hoses kind of shrink a little bit and they don't grab the metal very well, especially that bottom one down there. That's where it really leaks from. Came home to a nice little puddle on the floor underneath the car, since it was sitting in probably sub-zero temperatures for a few weeks. But just a recommendation, drain that out before you go to store your car. It probably will leak. Like I say, when it warms up, the leaks go away. I don't even touch the hose clamps because they're pretty tight themselves. So.